Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So today in this video, you'll be seeing me achieve this ball cap method on my wig. I've been seeing this as a new trend with wigs, how you're achieving the ball cap method without actually applying the ball cap. So in this tutorial, you'll see me apply that on this wig. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so over here off camera, I did this side, and the ball cap part I'm trying to show you guys, you see that part right there? It's almost showing like when you do the ball cap method, it gives you like a scalp look effect. So I'm assuming that the part helps, give that look. I could be wrong, guys, but I seen this, I wanted to achieve it. So either way, we're going to go in and apply this look. And so on this side, what I'm doing is I'm going back in and re-plucking the closure, because we're taking it back than the original, front of the, I can't get my words out, y'all, but we're taking a hairline back basically. So you're going to have to re-pluck the areas, because you're going to have to shift certain areas where the hairline would be normally. And guys, I do want to apologize about how this video is positioned. If you guys remember in my Ashwan video, when I stated that my GEX stand have broke, so I'm having to use my mobile stand. So I tried to position it the best way I could on my desk, but if the angles look a little off, guys, I am sorry. I'm just trying to work with what I got. So I'm just letting y'all know in advance, I'm using my mobile stand. Alright guys, so in this step you'll see me spray some water on the closure. I just do that because it helps with the plucking process, and it helps with me tweezing and plucking the knots. Okay guys, so this is the next step that really matters as you get to the front of the closure or the front of your hairline. So you want to make sure you pluck. And guys, I really wasn't too heavy-handed with the plucking right here, because I kind of like the fuller hairline, especially the way this look was given. So I'm just separating the hair that I want to have like the line between the two to make it seem like my actual scalp. So what I'm going to do in between those two hair, well, basically between those two hairlines, is I'm going to pluck all the hair out of that area. So it's going to be no hair in that area, just like a straight line across with no hair. The front of that hairline would be baby hairs, or like my natural hair out, and then the back would be my actual hairline. So what you'll see in these next couple of steps is me just continue to pluck, me cutting the baby hairs with the eyebrow tweezer, the eyebrow razor. And I'm just going to keep taking a step back and just looking at areas that I need to pluck more or just pull out that may not need to be in the right area. Now, to make my part look more defined, I am going in and plucking my part. I just like to do this step because I feel like my part is more detailed and defined when I pluck it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I do want to apologize for how this is viewing, but I tried my best to use what I had, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.